Hello, and welcome to the Colloquial Kitchen. What's that? Well, the kitchen is where you make food, and colloquial means familiar or common. That means there won't be any chefy stuff here. There won't be anything high end. This is a channel for beginners, whether you are a college student just out on your own for the first time and need to learn how to cook, someone who is balking at the high prices of takeout food in restaurants and wants to learn how to cut down on your food budget, or you just want to learn how to cook and you've seen all this stuff on YouTube but don't know where to start. I will be teaching you basic skills, basic equipment, how to understand your food, and how to trust your nose. All skills that I've learned in about 50 years of cooking, 35 of those off and on in restaurants and food and beverage establishments. And we'll make some basic dishes that look fancy, but are really easy, are inexpensive, and are fun. One thing I'm going to tell you right now is there will be no recipes. I do not cook by recipe. I cook by ear. I cook by my nose. I cook by my tongue. I have a fascination with just putting things together. Once you know what goes together, you can do that. Baking, however, is chemistry. I don't do that. So, welcome to the Colloquial Kitchen. I hope you join me for this little adventure, and maybe we can teach each other a few things.